Unlocking the secrets behind Alan Walker's iconic progressive house sound is more accessible than you think. Today, we're diving deep into the core elements that define his signature style, from the catchy melodies that stay with you to the earth-shattering bass lines that move the dance floor. Let's start with Alan Walker's signature melodies, often built around simple, memorable motifs. They're frequently layered with arpeggiated synths. Think about using a saw wave or a bell-like FM synth sound. Experiment with scales like minor or Dorian to achieve that slightly melancholic yet uplifting feel. Crucially, these melodies are often designed to be instantly recognizable and singable. Next, the basslines. Alan Walker's basslines provide the driving force. They're typically sub-heavy and rhythmic, often featuring a steady, pulsing pattern. A common technique is to use a sine wave or a slightly distorted saw wave for the fundamental lowland. Then layer it with the mid-range synth for character. Pay close attention to the rhythmic phrasing. It syncs perfectly with the kick drum to create that irresistible groove. The arrangements are where the magic truly comes alive. Alan Walker excels at building tension and release. This is achieved through gradual introductions of new elements, filtering, and strategic use of riser effects. Think about opening up the filters on your synths as a build-up intensifies, and then dropping them back down for the drop. Ethereal pads and atmospheric textures are essential for creating that expansive, anthemic sound. Don't be afraid to use plenty of reverb and delay on vocals and synth leads to create a sense of space and depth. To capture that unique Alan Walker vibe, focus on clean sound design, powerful yet uncluttered arrangements, and melodies that resonate. Experiment with these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to crafting your own progressive house anthems.